knowledge for all entrance examination. 1. What is called as the roof of the world? Answer Pamir not. 2. The illustrious names of Aryabhata and Varahamir are associated with the age of the dash. Answer Guptas. 3. Who generally acknowledged as the pioneer of local self-government in modern India? Answer Ripon. 4. Which article of the Constitution of India abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form? Answer Article 17. 5. The idea of Pakistan was first conceived by Dash. Answer Muhammad Iqbal. 6. Which of the following countries has introduced direct democracy? Answer Switzerland. 7. Inflation occurs when aggregate supply is dash less than aggregate demand. 8. Which state has the lowest per capita income in India? Answer Odisha. 9. In the budget of figures of the government of India, physical deficit is answer dash total expenditure, so total receipt. 10. The 8th joint economic group dialogue between China and India was held in January 2010 in Beijing, China, after a gap of dash 4 years. 11. According to the recently released World Bank report, the Chinese economy grew by the close of fourth quarter of 2009 at the rate of dash answer 10.7%. 12. As for the quality of life index 2010, which was released worldwide in January 2010, the United States occupies the dash answer 7th place. 13. The India-France deal for civil nuclear propulsion, which came into force in January 2010, had been signed between the two countries in dash September 2008. 14. Wood were the ruler of dash answer princely state of Mysore. 15. Black Pagoda is in dash answer Konark, Odisha. 16. The meeting of the Rajya Sabha are presided over by the dash answer Vice President. 17. Lunar eclipse occurs on dash answer a full moon day. 18. Which of the following curves helps in nitrogen fixation? Answer beans. 19. Detroit in the USA is known as the city of dash motor cars. 20. The term fourth state refers to dash answer place. 21. Shell's plant is